I forgot to film an intro, so this is it.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Sophia.
Okay, so right off the bat, I would like to apologize for two things. My incredible stability while holding my camera, that doesn't look anything like this. Worse than that, actually. And two, the fact that I filmed it on my phone, and you have to, like, watch it through that.
You.
Okay, so just a little heads up. I'm probably going to be using my computer from now on until I get an official camera. So get excited for that.
Where I definitely do not rip off Emma Chamberlain's great series.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you?
Yeah, so today we're gonna be cooking the one and only thing I know how to make. Quesadillas. People say that I say quesadillas weirdly, but quesadillas. There's so many moths on the kitchen windows right now. Trying to get in, trying to see the light.
Wow, you're so funny and relatable.
That's fine. Okay. So, welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. It's not my kitchen. My mom paid for it, but so it's my kitchen now. I'm home alone right now. And that's how you know shit's about to get real. So, to start off, you know, we've got to wet the pan. So we have some extra virgin olive oil. Like me, I'm extra virgin.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, are my tortillas?
It was at this moment she realized that her setup was horrible, so she moved it.
Yes! So this is a nice plate to do all of your quesadilla making. Ooh. Now for the dangerous part, turning on the stove. So, you see,
I don't have a great history with stoves. I lit soup on fire.
it should be going on. Okay, it's fine. And why is it still ticking?
Ticking noise. Not over here, not over there. Trying to catch you. Snipe, snipe. Severus, snipe.
What the fuck?
Now, why is it ticking? Stop ticking! Right now, while we're waiting for the... Why is the oil dissolving? This is why I'm freaking science, you guys. Stop ticking! You're making me nervous as fuck! My favorite little midnight snack is tortillas. Fun fact. Why do I feel like it's expired?
Spoiler alert, dumbass. It is.
It's not. It's expired. What's the worst thing that can happen?
Oh my god, I'm such an idiot.
Like, let's be honest. I could die? Yeah, probably. I thought I'd stop thinking. We're not being complete idiots.
Hate to break it to you, but yes you are. I checked again. It's a month over the expiration date. Why would you do this to me?
So, let's put some of that yummy expired cheese on there.
This is obviously the best way to do it. You do like half cheese, and then you flip it over. Uncultured ass.
Okay, so I'd like to warn you, this is where things start to get interesting. Right after I said, you uncultured ass, the fire alarm went off. So, turn down your headphones, turn down your earbuds, consider this a warning. Get ready.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Are you ready for this?
I think the fire alarm's going
No shit, Cleet!
off. Holy shit!
And that's when she knew. She had quality clickbait.
Help! Wow, that was an adventure. Gotta be honest. Okay, that was stressful. I've already eaten like half of these cinnamon rolls and it's only been one day.
Did I show you how stressful my life is?
It's crumbling apart with my life.
It's not too golden of a boy, I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, give me some of that crispy goodness, Jesus.
Yes, Billy.
And you're just gonna drop it right on there.
I hate to interrupt the obviously super entertaining video of me fucking dancing, but there's a moth on my screen, and there are several moths in my room, and I'm scared.
And then you're gonna turn off the stove because you don't want to die. Okay, the thing about music is it makes it obvious when I do jump cut, not us. So you gotta wipe off all that grease, wipe all that sadness, all that depression off of there, and just kind of plop it onto your plate. Whatever, it's fine. All right, let's put the expired cheese in the fridge so someone else can have it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Are you shitting me right now? There was non-expired cheese in the fridge the whole time?
Well, too late now, you know? Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Clover fucked me over like that. I wanna die.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular.
By the way, I've decided I'm not a family-friendly channel anymore because it's too much work. Like, let me fucking swear. Okay, first bite, first try.
So this is love. So this is love. So this.
It's mediocre. Tastes a bit expired. It tastes like me if I were a quesadilla. Like, slightly disappointing. Like, it's still a quesadilla. But, you know, you feel you're gonna get food poisoning after it.
It doesn't even make sense because it's a fucking quesadilla.
Okay. It's not a good idea to have ice cream at 9 p.m. Edit this horrible fucking video. Peace.
Guess I didn't film an outro. Again. I just combed through 30 minutes of footage, so I would appreciate it if you left a like. Or don't. I already got your reviews, so cha-ching. Anyways, goodbye.